Gentlemen, if you're tired of uneven trims, dull blades, and noisy clippers, then today's video is just for you. Imagine a beard trimmer that not only cuts smoothly through thick facial hair but also stays cooler, quieter, and lasts up to 4 hours on a single charge. Sounds impressive, right? Well, today we are diving deep into the Brio Beardscape V1 beard trimmer, a professional-grade grooming tool that promises to take your beard game to the next level. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share not only the features, but also the pros, cons, and whether this trimmer is really worth your money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so you don't miss future reviews on the best grooming products. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's jump right into the review of the Brio Beardscape V1 beard trimmer for men. Design and build. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek V1 gray design. It weighs only 10 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The body feels premium, not cheap plastic like many trimmers in this range. The ceramic blade is the highlight. It's 4 times tougher than stainless steel, meaning sharper, smoother, and longer-lasting performance. Plus, ceramic produces less heat, so you don't get that uncomfortable burning sensation during long trims. Performance and cutting range. Now let's talk about cutting performance. This trimmer can handle all hair types: beard, mustache, body, or even head. It cuts effortlessly through thick or coarse hair without pulling or irritation. The cutting range goes from 1 mm to 18 mm, and for stubble lovers, you get precise 1 mm to 1.9 mm settings. That's ideal if you like experimenting with different beard styles, from clean stubble to full beard. Battery life and digital display. One of the most impressive things about the Brio Beardscape V1 is the battery. Performance. It offers up to 4 hours runtime on a single charge. That's almost double compared to many trimmers in this price range. It also has a digital battery display, so you know exactly how much power is left. No more guessing or getting stuck mid-trim. Quiet operation and speed settings. Another standout feature is how quiet it operates. Most trimmers get noisy and annoying, but this one stays surprisingly silent, which is great if you trim early in the morning or late at night. On top of that, it has 5 adjustable speed settings, which means you can choose the exact power you need, whether it's for sensitive trimming or heavy-duty cutting. Warranty and support. And finally, this trimmer comes with a 2-year warranty and strong customer support from Brio. That gives peace of mind knowing the company stands behind its product. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. Pros. Ceramic blade, 4x tougher, cooler, sharper. Long 4-hour battery life. Quiet operation. Wide cutting range, 1 mm, 18 mm. Digital battery display. Lightweight but premium design. 2-year warranty. Cons. Slightly more expensive than average trimmers. Doesn't include as many attachments as some barber kits. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. So, is the Brio Beardscape V1 beard trimmer worth it? Absolutely, if you're serious about grooming and want a long-lasting, professional quality trimmer that works quietly, stays cool, and gives you precision control. It's a great investment for both home users and professional barbers. If you're interested in buying, I've left the Amazon affiliate link in the description. Check it out for the latest price and deals. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below what trimmer you're currently using, and whether you'd switch to this one. And don't forget to subscribe to Raminmark for more in-depth beard trimmer reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.